Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal. Guys, I feel like I'm in here every 30 seconds, like the year is going by so fast. This is already May of 2021's club. You're gonna love it. We have decided to do something to give you, I just want workhorse stamp sets. I want stamp sets that I keep at hand, that I use constantly, and this is another one of those sets, okay? And it's May, which is Mother's Month, and we just thought it'd be fun to focus on feminine for this month. So that's what we've done. So let me show you the stamp set. This set is called All About Her. Now check it out. Here's what we've done. We've given you this beautiful set of poppies. Aren't they gorgeous? You'll be able to use them in so many different ways. I've got a sample or two to show you today. But here's what we did. We gave you some big sentiments. You're an inspiration. You're beautiful inside and out. I love you. And then we gave you people, okay? So we've given you mother, aunt, niece, sister, step, nan, friend, mom, nana, great, grand, mama, mommy, daughter, nanny, okay? So there are ways for you to use all of these words to make other words, okay? So let me show you, for example. Do you see we've got mom right here? If you call your mom mama, which I do, or mother, but mama, you've got mom, ma, okay? Maybe you just call your mom ma, right? Some people do. If you have like, what was another one we did? Let's see, grandma, you can mix that together. There's so many ways to mix things together. We had a whole bunch done, like stepmom, step grandmom. You can mix it all up any way you want to, okay? Grandmother, granddaughter, grandniece. There's so many ways. And it's all the words you guys ask for all the time. Now, I will tell you, we did not get very specific. I wanted this to be able to be used by the majority of people. So you may not see the name that you're called. As a matter of fact, my name's not on here. I'm known as Grams. And it ain't on here because it's just too specific. I wanted to fill it with things that we could use all the time. One thing I want to point out, like mall, you could like use half of mall, right? There's so many different ways to do it. We also gave you to us and to me. You guys are always telling me you want the to me's, right? So there is a to me. Now, I'm going to show you some samples and I got to tell you. So yesterday, so many of you have, not just yesterday, but so many of you have been praying for my Uncle Ray, who had come to the end of his life. Well, he passed away on Sunday afternoon, and yesterday we had the celebration of his life. So I was out of the office yesterday. Thank you so much for your prayers. My Uncle Ray was so precious, but I know today he is in heaven, and it makes me feel happy for him. It's sad for us, but I'm happy for him. But while I was gone, the girls here made samples for me. How nice is that, right? So let me show you the samples that the girls made. I'm going to start with Taylor's. Taylor has this style, this beautiful muted color palette. Look what she did. She said, "You're beautiful inside and out. You're an inspiration, Mom." Look how beautiful this is. What a gorgeous full-size slimline card that Taylor made. And then Shannon, who likes to color, Shannon did this one. Look at this card with these beautiful flowers on the front. And inside, "Mama, you're an inspiration to me." Look how cute. And even better, we have a new girl named Helen. Helen's never made cards before, and Shannon got her in there and was like, "Look, you can make cards because you can use stickers," right? So Helen took out the stickers, made the front of this card. She's never done this before. This doesn't have any stamps on it, but let me show you what she did here. She took out she took out cut aparts. She did "Fun in the Sun," "Sister, you're an inspiration, you're beautiful inside and out, I love you." Look at that. And she's never made cards. So even if you just use it to go with your cut aparts and your stickers, or if you use the flowers or your punches and different things to design, look how you can do it. Now, I have a very specific idea in mind for this stamp set, and it's going to take me some time. So I'm glad they did the samples for you for today. But today I will be making mine. And my inspiration is we had a lady come visit us named Tracy, and she is a shabby chic girl. And she was talking about how funny it is how we're so opposite, because I'm, black, red, and white, and I want everything clean line and buffalo check, yada, yada. And she's very pink and light and shabby chic colors. And it has inspired me to step outside my box, and I'm going to do shabby chic. I'm going to do my best shabby chic card, and you guys will see it on Tuesday. I mean, I'm going to pull out all the stops, so y'all get ready, because I'm going to show Tracy I can do it. I think it'll be fun, and I love when you guys inspire me, and Tracy just really did. So we'll see what happens. So that's your set this month. I'm telling you right now, there are just certain sets you need to have a box on your desk that you keep right handy. This is one. And May is our feminine month. Let's look forward to June. There's a little sneak peek. Okay, so I'm so grateful you're in our stamp club. You may not know this, but you can enter to win a contest we do every month just by using this stamp set and posting a picture of your project to our customer gallery, and we give away a $50 gift card every month. The winner for last month will be in the description below. If you would like to join our stamp club, I actually had the sweetest message this past maybe 2 weeks ago where a lady contacted me and said her friend had told her that I had a very affordable club that you could join that wouldn't break the bank, and that made me feel so good. And we do have that. This club is only $11.99 a month. We have a scripture club, $11.99 a month. That's for people that are in the United States. Outside the United States, it's only $13.49 a month, and there's no shipping added to those prices. You literally pay $11.99 a month. You get a brand new, never before seen stamp set every month. It's a mystery club, so this is the reveal. This is when you get to see it, but you also get a discount in our store as a club member, 15% off of most of your purchases. So if you're interested in joining the club, click the link in the description below, and I hope you love this one as much as we do. And I got to go because I'm ready to go get my crafting on with this one. I'm ready to get my shabby chic on. So thank you guys so much again. And until next time, bye now.